Do subscribe to MJTube and hit on bell icon for latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back again. I'm MJ. In this video, I'll show you how to recover forgotten Microsoft account or Microsoft ID. So before I start my video, let me clear one thing. This tip only work when you logged in your phone. So let's start. You need to just go to any browser, and in the browser just type account.microsoft.com and then click on sign in with Microsoft. Click on it. So here type your Microsoft ID, or if you are using Gmail ID with Microsoft, so whatever ID you are using, just type here. Okay, so now it's asking enter the password. So we forgot the password. For this, just click on forgotten my password. Okay, now click on I have forgotten my password. Check on this. Click on next. You need to type this captcha. So here you will get the one more message like we have just sent a code to this email address. Check your email for a message from the Microsoft account team and enter the code. So open your email address in your phone which you already logged in. So this is the code. Just copy and paste this code. Okay, copy and paste here. Okay, and then click on next. That's it. Now you can insert your new password. Okay, done. After this, click next and you are good to go to log in with your new password to your Microsoft account. So this is the easy way to recover your lost password. As I said before I start my video, this will only work when you already logged in your email ID in your phone. So thanks for watching guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.